Today guys, we are unboxing something which even I don't know how I just managed to get my hands on, and it's the freaking Galaxy S10 Plus itself. So this is again Prism White, and this is not actually my phone. If you have actually seen where would be left, I guess that's the left bottom. There is no my before the title, so yeah, this is not mine. Mine's blue, and it will actually take time because literally everyone has ordered white. If you just search around TikTok, even on Instagram, even on like whole of YouTube, everyone has just got them ordered Prism White Galaxy S10 Plus in India. I don't know why, what's wrong with the people, but until then we will just take a look at this one. I mean, just look at the packaging. It's upgraded, looks much more better than before. And yeah, I have actually seen Galaxy S10 Plus like just last night, but I haven't actually seen what are the accessories that you get or just the unboxing experience. So again, let's just lift it off. There you go. We are, what the hell, how are we presented? Okay, so the packaging is now completely different. I guess you get directly presented with your phone, unlike before. You will get the paperwork. The paperwork is now right over here. Yep, you have to actually just lift up the box and then you have the paperwork right over here. So just like that, pretty easy. Again, what do we get over here? There must be a cover, I guess. I hope so. Yep, there is a cover. There are paperworks and stuff. Pretty great. Again, the cover, it is a tougher one when compared to my Galaxy S9 Plus. I mean, look at this one. This is from the Galaxy S9 Plus. I mean, it's little dusty, but oh shit, it's plastic, it's not rubber. But as you can see, this is actually the rubber one that you get originally with the Galaxy S9 Plus, and now you get hard plastic just like Galaxy Note 8. I don't know why they have just got a step below, but this is not durable at all. I don't know what Samsung was thinking, but yeah, there you go. That's beside this thing. And then let's just lift off our phone elegantly. There you go. Prism White. I am white. No, I'm actually brown. But there you go. This is the Prism White. Now, this is an extremely weird color. Right now, as you can see in the camera, completely white onto the yellow light that I have. But if you just directly get into the indoor light, it appears blue. Then if you just flash a light on it, it's red. It's an extremely weird color. I don't think I will ever get to see a ceramic one, but mine's Prism blue and just looks so sexy. I have seen an actual picture of it, and let's just keep it aside. What do we get inside the package? So again, a white charger, which is a matte finish when compared to my Galaxy S7, which was glossy. And yeah, it does get dusty, but this is matte. Like, look at it. This will get dusty too. Yeah, again, this is Galaxy S7 Edge, not my Note 9, so again pretty wide angle because the Note 9's one is like kind of cropped in due to the autofocusing. But yeah, this is a matte one and it's at 5 volts at 2 amps, so completely same charger. Nothing that changed at all since like 3 years. Again, you get a mini USB 2.0 to Type C. Again, as you can see, matte finish. I don't know what's wrong with Samsung. Like, why is everything white? Like, even the AKGs, I have like 3 AKGs. I have broken like 2 of them. Like, seriously, trust me, those things are fragile. I know they cost like 8,000 rupees if you buy it like standalone from a Samsung store, but these things are fragile. And I broke my Galaxy S8 ones, S9 ones, and now I'm on my Note 9 ones. And if you guys see my eyes swollen, I haven't actually slept for 1.5 days. So again, sorry, I have to actually cover this cost. They are lending me a 73,000 rupee phone. Okay, this is USB Type C, again completely white. This thing will like get demolished in like 1 month. Then again, these are the AKGs again. Yeah, they are pretty much the same. No like change at all. I will just take them out for a second if I can. Again, the packaging is a bit weird. Like, once you unbox it, it's extremely hard to just repack it if you're just going to sell it off. How do you even open this thing? What the hell?
1 eternity later.
How the hell do you open this thing?
2 hours later.
Actually, as this is not my phone, I will just leave it aside. I mean, after 1 to 2 weeks, you guys will see mine. So I will just rip it apart. I will just keep it aside. This thing is just congested AF, and that's pretty much it. That's what you get in your box. So let's just hop on to the creme de la creme. I don't know what do you say, but Galaxy S10 Plus. Here you go. Boot it up. I guess the setup is already done. Let's just take off the plastic. So again, the back one. Wow. Look at that paint job. The front one. Wow. And it already comes with the screen protector, which is a bit weird. I don't know whether it's by the guys, but yeah, it already comes with a screen protector. And yes, that cutout. I mean, I love it. Pretty much, if you don't already know me, I hate notches. Redmi Note 5 Pro and Galaxy Note 9 are my one of the favorite phones. Like, that's why I bought a Galaxy Note 9. It's like one of the last of its classes. Then again, we are just getting these things. trust me, in person it's not that annoying at all. And if you compare it to my Galaxy Note 9, how much screen space does it take? So just open it in any kind of third-party app like. So again, you are not losing screen at all. The notch is just completely adjusted over here. I even like checked it last night, and it's just pretty good job by Samsung for even for the first firmware that it has. Like these are one of the first phones that are rolling out. This is your quick settings panel. This is the basic One UI that you get. I mean, I have covered it like 5 to 10 times. I don't have to explain it much, but yeah, pretty good phone. I mean, it's a slow phone. The Exynos S10 Plus are slow. Trust me. It's nowhere near Xiaomi Mi 9 or the latest phone that Oppo just launched like last night. I don't know the name, but it's nowhere near the Snapdragon 855 performance. It loses like almost 30k on Antutu benchmark for it. The bottom bezel could be better. It's been like 2 years that iPhone X has been launched and all the bezels are just equal, but oh here Samsung just missed out on this one. If the bottom bezel just was equal, this would be the perfect phone for me. But again, looks extremely sexy. Not going to lie at all. Again, if you go to the front camera, just like that. Wow. Did you just look at that? Let's just try that. Whoa. Yeah, it's not that wide angle. I haven't actually seen many phones with wide angle lenses, but surely LG G series is much better than this thing. Again, it covers almost like the whole thing that I want, which should be on default to be honest, like my Galaxy S7 is right now. It covers so much. 3D touch for the home button is missing. Again, like they have added fingerprint scanner, but it's just like so used to. See, my Galaxy Note 9, it's dead. There you go. But again, they have replaced it with the fingerprint scanner, so can't lie, but it's still handy. Yeah, can't complain at all. Again, this is an ultrasonic sensor when compared to the biometric sensors of the OnePlus 60 and the Oppo phones, and that can actually be fooled by just like back in the days that you did with iPhone 5s or the Galaxy S5 with the sellotape and stuff. But this you can't fool. You will need a real finger with the blood vessels pumping with it. Again, pretty fast. I mean, I can't complain at all. This is like first one for me. Then again, pretty interesting thing, if you scroll down over here, digital Wellbeing is already available, which is, I don't know what Samsung is doing. Why didn't they just give it with the Galaxy S9 Plus or the Galaxy Note 9? Like what's special with this thing? Even Galaxy Note 9 is touted for the all-day battery life, then why didn't they give it? And again, digital Wellbeing is completely baked in over here, but let's just try whether there's a grayscale, because Samsung already gives it, but there is no grayscale option for the digital Wellbeing yet over here, but I guess we can add it later on. But again, you have wireless power share, so let's just try to charge my watch with it. I don't know, my Galaxy S10 Plus is like taking 2 weeks, so I will just try everything with this one. It's not even in the center, so again the pad is pretty big I guess, but again it's a loose connection. My watch is just extremely heavy because I have actually added this band that I didn't actually share with you guys after the unboxing, but this band is actually heavier than the actual watch, so it makes me pretty hard to charge that thing, but again works. And again, huge thanks to Samsung Cafe in Alibag. They have actually helped me in order to get this device so early. Like if you stay in Alibag, please give them a visit. They will offer you the best experience when it comes to the phones and their accessories. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next one. Like I can't be even like more happy in my life. My mom even like can't afford a Poco phone F1 and I'm holding a 73,000 rupee review unit. Peace.